again. I'm back to do iKON's second song, What's Wrong. I'm super excited to watch this. I just finished watching Dumb and Dumber and absolutely loved it. iKON is amazing, so I can't wait to see what they've got in store for us with What's Wrong. So let's watch.
If you ever love somebody, say yeah, say yeah, If you ever love somebody, say yeah, say yeah.
I love the energy in this already.
I love his voice.
Absolutely love it. What is going on? End of the year. Big hands again. Face. They must have had so much fun on both of these music videos. I know I'm not talking very much during this video, I'm sorry, there's so much going on. Her faces. Giant bear.
사랑을 주고 되받는 건 상처뿐이잖아. 좋았던 우리 모습은 어디에?
Oh my goodness, what chaos. There's so much color in this video, which is funny because the colors are kind of toned down. It almost is like a filter on it, but yet there's so much color in it that just gives it so much energy. Marriage is so adorable. Say yeah. Let somebody say yeah. Yeah. We used to talk for hours. Nice going, boys. I love it. I really wish that I spoke Korean because I'd really like to know what the lyrics in that song were. Pretty sure they're trying to tell us something there, so I'd like to look at it because, in fact, we'll just start with our I Spy segment right now. At the very end of the song, if you look at some of the signs, they're kind of hard to read, so I'll have to go back through and look at them later. But one of them I can see right now, it says, "We used to talk for hours, look at us now." So I'd like to go through and look at all the signs. I see another one that says broken. So I'd really like to know what exactly they're saying in this video. But very energetic song, super fun. If you ever love somebody, say yeah. This is why I don't sing. No, but anyway, go check it out. So we'll I Spy those signs, and then we'll also I Spy the big giant blue bear because he was pretty cute, and I kind of want one for myself. Yeah, so for the third I Spy, I'm going to give you guys an assignment to help me out. Let me know what exactly this video is trying to tell us and what we've got on these signs back here. So help me out with that. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'd love to see some of your opinions and ideas in the comments below, so let us know. Thanks for watching our video for iKON What's Wrong?
Thank you for taking part